All right, I'm up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and it's test drive time in a 1967 RS convertible Camaro. Let's go for a ride. I see that may be wrong with this vehicle. We're gonna check everything running and driving wise. That way when you get here, you know it takes back. It's got some tint on the windows. Somebody put on there, I'd almost take it off because it's got a few little scratches. Notice this door handle is stripped out, so it will need a new one. So you gotta roll down the window to open the door. Let's try the radio. I doubt it works, it looks original. So the air controls work, it's blowing up on the dash too. But we're gonna take off down the road and I'll let you know everything I see. Check our brakes before we get too far. It's just, I believe it's just a drum brake car. I'm gonna hang this string up around y'all so they don't tap, make noises. All right, not a too bad of a day for a convertible. Pretty hot out here. Brakes are a little soft, a little squeaky. Here we go. Steering's nice and tight. It's got just a hair of play in it. Throttle feels good. I don't think the kickdown's hooked up. Your passing gear. Brakes don't feel too bad, they're just drum brakes. Speedometer was coming up, it was working as well. Gas gauge is floating around, it's got about a half a tank in it right now. Just a little bit of a hesitation in there if you stomp it. Hear them brakes rubbing a little bit. exhaust leak. Sounds like it's coming out of the passenger side on the motor. Car's not pulling to the left or right. It's going pretty straight down the road. Brakes aren't too bad. Like I said, they're just old drum brakes. So. All right. Got plenty of power. I believe it was just a 327. Car is very easy to drive. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed our test drive. If you have any other questions, I'll try to help you out the best I can. You can comment below or just give us a call, 615-822-4444. See, I'll put that number right there in the bar below. If you want to see 100 detailed pictures of this car inside, out, and underneath, go to my website, weMainbsite.com. I appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys.